Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to download TikTok data. Open TikTok application on your device and then go to your profile at the bottom right side of your screen, and then in the top right corner you see 3 horizontal lines. This is menu, that's what we need, and here navigate to settings and then select account. And here from this list you should find download your data, and now you can choose whether you want to download all TikTok data here, or you can customize, so you can select whether you want to download profile and posts, activity, messages, so you can customize it, or just click all data. And also you can select file format. So here are 2 formats. Choose what is suitable for you, and when you're done, press this red button at the bottom, request data. So that's it. I hope this video helps you, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.